Hey guys, Ryan Dement. I hope you're having a great day. Late video today. I know the markets were up dramatically. Stay tuned. There's a lot going on there. There's a lot to unpack. There's still a lot of financial information going on. But the one thing that I wanted to share with you guys today, I was looking at articles this morning and I'm going to look over here on the monitor and I saw this article that says warning, capital letters, what you need to know about the coming housing market crash. So then I opened up the video, or excuse me, opened up the blog post article, and they talk about how the market's going to crash and it's going to be a meltdown, even worse than 2008, 2009. Everybody's got opinions. I get it. But the one thing that I want to take away from that article is we can only control what we can control, and that's our own world. And guys, I'm not here to try to sell you any products. I'm not trying to get you guys to buy anything from me. I'm just flat out giving you guys information that I think is worthy and I think that you guys could actually use in your life. And one of the things that I've been telling you guys from day one in these 100+ videos I've put out, you can only control your own economy. What happens outside your four walls, you cannot control. And to worry about the housing market crash or the stock market crash, yes, it's going to affect you. If you have a 401k, the stock market is going to affect you. But guess what? You can earn it back over time. It does come back. Or if you have an old 401k, like I talked in a couple videos ago, I spoke about a few videos ago, you can roll it over to a self-directed 401k and you can start controlling it, or a self-directed IRA. There's options there. There's more than just the standard cookie cutter box that you actually see on television. At the end of the day, you have to decide what works for your economy. But what I wanted to tell you guys, if you guys control your economy, you understand what's going on, and you stay in full control, what happens outside of your four walls or outside of your economy will not matter. Yes, inflation is high, gas prices are high, food's high. I got all that. But if you're doing the things that I've explained, putting a budget together, knowing exactly what comes in and what goes out on a monthly basis is huge. Paying off your high interest rate debt, specifically credit cards. Work on student loans, personal loans, auto notes afterwards. Those are all fixed, so you don't have to worry about them during inflation because they're not going to increase. And lastly, stop keeping up with the Joneses, because at the end of the day, that will not work. You can't spend your way out of problems, or I guess you can if you want to file bankruptcy and it's okay. But at the end of the day, you have to stop spending and start saving, because at some point, inflation and cost of goods that you have to buy for your home, food and so forth, is going to pretty much shut you down to where you're living paycheck to paycheck. If that's not happening already, I'm hoping it's not. But if it is, you've got some spending that you can cut down. I know when I went through this process myself, I cut almost $300 out of my budget on a monthly basis. That $300 went immediately towards paying off credit card debt. So, guys, with this warning, the housing market's going to crash, take it for what it is. There is going to be a correction. You guys are informed. I'm giving you the information. We're already starting to see in certain markets, the housing market is correcting. No one knows if it's going to crash, but if it does, if you're renting, it's not going to affect you. If you already own a home and you're on a 30-year or 15-year fixed mortgage, it isn't going to hurt you. Now, if you're on an interest only, on an ARM, it could potentially affect you because interest rates are going to fluctuate. Even though they've been down for the last several weeks, they're saying, I haven't paid attention, you still are not at a place to go buy a home. Interest rates and pricing have not crossed the level, the T, that we talk about almost every video. And I have to say this. FOMO. Stay away from it. Stay focused on your economy, your family, your needs. Don't worry about anybody else and what they're doing, and you'll be just fine. All right, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys on the other side. I'll talk to you later.